How about that, huh?
Why did you name your salon the Harlot?
I wanted to find a name that represents me and my client, you know? And the Harlot sounds good.
What was your first day as a salon owner like?
Oh, it was fucking hell. But at the same time, I liked it too, though, you know?
What's your favorite thing about having a salon in Los Angeles?
The favorite thing about having a salon in Los Angeles, I think the weather.
What's your least favorite thing about having a salon in Los Angeles?
Chores. I don't want to do chores. I'm everyone's assistant sometimes.
Why are you a hairstylist?
I'm a hairstylist because I think that's the only thing I'm good in.
When did you know you wanted to become a hairstylist?
I knew when they asked me in school what I wanted to be, and I asked my mom, and she's like, you should only do something that you're really good in and what comes natural. So doing hair was kind of a natural gift.
If you weren't a stylist, what would you be?
I don't think I can be anything else, honestly.
What is one trend from the past that you miss?
One trend from the past. What I miss? I don't think I miss anything from the past. What's the past is the past. Move on, you know?
What is a current trend you wish would go away?
Oh, curtain bangs, for crying out loud. Get rid of the curtain bangs. Oh. I like your curtain bangs. Yours are different though, Ernie. Yours are different. That's not a real curtain bang, that's a swoop.
If you had to choose a different name for yourself, what name would you choose?
I do like my name, Marylle. I do. Maybe not a lot of people do, but I like it, you know?
How do you define success?
Success to me is happiness and contentness, you know? I wake up in the morning and I'm pretty happy and I feel good.
When is the first time you felt successful?
It's when I finally paid all of my bills off in the same month. Paying my bills on time and, you know, I can buy food at the same time. I feel pretty successful.
Why is your favorite client your favorite?
Because they have good energy. You know, that's what I need. I need good energy too.
Whose work do you admire the most right now?
My own work. Come on, what a question is that?
How has being a mom changed your life?
It gave me a lot of patience, and I never thought I could love something so little so much.
Why do you think people should pursue a career in professional beauty?
Only pursue the beauty industry when you are really good in what you do.
What's something everyone loves that you secretly find overrated?
The high-waisted jeans. No. That's just painful.
What's something you love that most other people find overrated?
I love tipping. Tip your hairdresser, for God's sakes. Tipping is so important.
If you had to pick only one to do the rest of your career, would you cut or style?
Oh, I totally cut. I mean, seriously, get the f*** out.